Do you want to live a healthier, happier life? It's a common misconception that this goal requires drastic dieting and endless gym hours. Instead, it's about nurturing your body and mind, making subtle changes to your lifestyle, and setting achievable goals. The key elements? A balanced diet, regular physical activity, emotional well-being, and healthy daily habits. Remember, it's not about a quick fix but a journey. So why not start today? You have all it takes to embark on this journey towards a healthier life today. What you eat plays a crucial role in how you feel both physically and mentally. An ideal diet is a balanced mix of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and low-fat dairy. Hydration is another key component of a healthy diet. Did you know adults should drink roughly 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day? This not only keeps your body temperature just right, it also aids in flushing out toxins and maintaining homeostasis. Water can do wonders like clear your skin, help your kidneys function better, control your appetite, and keep you energized. It's a healthier choice over sugary drinks like soda and juice, which are high in calories but do little to quench your thirst. Limiting simple sugars is another beneficial dietary habit. Always make a point to read food labels. They can guide you in making healthier choices. Remember, your diet is not just about eating less but eating right. Exercise isn't just about losing weight, it's about feeling good in your own skin. Regular physical activity plays an essential role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Regular exercise can do wonders for your body and mind. It not only boosts your physical health by improving cardiovascular fitness, strengthening muscles, and increasing flexibility, but also elevates your mental health. It can help reduce feelings of anxiety and depression and promote better sleep. The beauty of exercise is that it's not one size fits all. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a sweaty session at the gym, a calming yoga routine, or a fun dance class, find what you enjoy and make it a part of your lifestyle. Because when exercise becomes less of a chore and more of a joy, you're more likely to stick with it. When you start moving, you start improving. A healthy body houses a healthy mind. But what about nurturing that mind? It's essential to remember that our emotional health plays a vital role in our overall well-being. One of the keys to maintaining this balance is practicing daily gratitude. By appreciating the small things in life, we can foster a positive outlook, which, in turn, can boost our emotional health. Positive thinking is another powerful tool. It's not about ignoring life's challenges, but rather reframing our perspective to see the opportunities for growth in every situation. This shift can assist in reducing stress and promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. Managing stress is another crucial aspect. We can't eliminate it, but we can learn to navigate it effectively. That's where self-care comes into play. Whether it's a quiet moment with a book, a soothing bath, or a brisk walk in nature, taking time for ourselves can help restore emotional balance. A healthy life is as much about a healthy mind as it is about a healthy body, so make your emotional health a priority. The key to a healthier life lies in the daily choices you make. Crafting a routine that encourages good sleep hygiene, personal cleanliness, and the elimination of risky behaviors is paramount. Start by setting small, achievable health goals. Perhaps you aim to sleep for 8 hours each night, or maybe you plan to brush your teeth twice daily. These may seem like minor steps, but they add up to significant changes over time. Your journey to a healthier life starts with a single step. Take that step today.